we are going to learn how to read time. You know how to read time in clock? Yes or no? Yes, some students know, others didn't know. So today we can study how to read time. Okay. Then first, so here you see one clock. There in clock, how many hands are there? You know, there are three hands are there. So here you see one small hand. This is hour hand and this is minute hand and this is second hand. So the hour hand is 7 and the minute hand is 12. So the time is 7 o'clock. Okay, so there are three hands in the clock. Now we can study only two hands. That is hour hand and minute hand. So if the time, what is time now? It is 7 o'clock. That is hour hand is 7 and minute hand is in 12. So the time is 7 o'clock. Next, here the hour hand is in 5 and the minute hand is in 12. Then what is the time now? 5 o'clock. Okay. So if the hour hand is in 4, it is 4 o'clock. And hour hand is 3, it is 3 o'clock. Okay. Next we can study how to find out 5:30, 6:30 like that. So here if the hour hand moved to 1, so here it is 5 minutes. Okay, so here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now we can study only 5 o'clock and 5:30. Okay. So here you look. If the hour hand is in between 4 and 5. Hour hand is in between 4 and 5. And the minute hand is in 6. So now the time is 4:30. Okay. The hour hand is 4 and 5. Between 4 and 5. And the minute hand is in 6. The time is 4:30. Okay. You know how to get 30. That is here this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This will study only next year. Now we are going to study only how you get 30. That is if the minute hand is in 6 and hour hand is between 4 and 5, the time is 4:30. Guys, we can read half past 4. Okay, that is after 4 o'clock, half past. So half past 4. Next, here the hour hand is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is in 6. What is the time now? 2:30. Otherwise, half past 2. Okay, half past 2, otherwise 2:30. One more example. Here the hour hand is between 12 and 1 and the minute hand is in 6. What is time now? 12:30 or half past 12. Okay. So in the textbook here you see one clock. Here the minute hand is in 6 and the hour hand is in where? Between 5 and 6. So what is time now? 5:30 or half past 5. Next one is between 9 and 10 and minute hand is in 6. So it is 9:30 or half past 9. So next when you find out the answer, the hour hand is between 3 and 4. So here the hour hand is 3 and 4. The mid hand is in 6. So you write what is the time now. Okay. So we read the time as dash. Then you write. How will you write? Okay. We can write as half past 9 right here. Here you can write 3:30 or you write half past 3 and here you write 3.30. Next we can do the textbook activity. The picture shows Sunil's routine on a Sunday. Fill in the boxes with time of each activity. That is 8 o'clock. Here 8:30. Here you find out minute hand is in 6 and hour hand is 10 and I write the time here. Okay. This all you find out the time. Next tick the shows. Tick clock shows the time 11:30. So in this clock, which one is 11:30? You tick that one. Next one, draw hour hand, minute hand in each clock according to time given below. So here 7:30 is there. You draw the hour hand and minute hand. Next one 3:30 also. Next look at the clock. Pankaj read the time on clock as 12:30. He has read his time correctly. So you check if the time is 12:30. If it is wrong, you write the correct answer here. The next textbook activity. Farah planned some events for Sunday. Use the clues and match the pictures of each event with the correct time. So here Farah will take her dog for a stroll sometime before afternoon. So here before afternoon, which time you find out. Okay, you match that one. Which time is correct time. Next, Farah will go shopping with her mother after lunch. Here going shop after lunch. After lunch, what is time now? Check. Okay. Next, you read next questions and match these pictures according to the time.